Did you know that 1.3 million non-fatal workplace injuries occur in the US each year? What's even more shocking is that 60% of these injuries are caused by just 5 common workplace hazards. And guess what? As an engineer, you are most likely to encounter these hazards at your workplace. So if you don't want to be one of the 20% of engineers who get injured at work, then keep watching to find out what these 5 most common hazards are and how you can avoid them. I am an advocate and educator for workplace safety. And in this first video of a 3-part series, I will unveil the first 3 most common hazards in engineering workplaces. The 4th and 5th most common hazards will be discussed in the next 2 videos. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The most common hazard in any workplace is, drum roll please, manual material handling. This includes pushing, pulling, lifting, and carrying boxes, crates, reels, drums, and so on. According to OSHA, manual material handling is responsible for 25% of all workplace injuries. As an engineer, you may not do it often, but when you do, you need to make sure that you use proper body mechanics and ask for help when needed. Make sure you report any damaged or malfunctioning equipment that makes manual material handling unavoidable. Also, always push and pull loads with your legs, not your back. Keep your back straight and lift with your legs. And remember to avoid twisting while lifting. If you must carry loads, use a dolly or hand truck whenever possible. The second most common hazard is being struck by or catching an object. This includes getting hit by falling, flying, or rolling objects. In engineering workplaces, the most common culprits are tools, equipment, and materials. To avoid this hazard, make sure that aisles and walkways are always clear and that tools and equipment are stored properly. Always wear your safety glasses and steel-toe boots in the workshop and follow the 5S methodology to ensure a clean and organized workspace. The third most common hazard is slipping, tripping, and falling. Slips, trips, and falls account for 15% of all workplace injuries and are most likely to occur on wet or cluttered floors, in poorly lit areas, or when using faulty electrical cords. As an engineer, you must always keep your work area clean and report any spills immediately. Don't rush and use both hands when carrying items. And pay attention to your surroundings. Now that you are aware of the 3 most common hazards in engineering workplaces, I challenge you to identify the remaining 2 most common hazards that we will discuss in the next video. Go ahead and comment your answers below. See how many you can get right. In the next video, I will reveal the 4th and 5th most common hazards in engineering workplaces and share some quick tips on how to avoid them. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative and interactive safety content. Thanks for watching.